They said it couldn't be done, but now, men all across this great nation are standing up with confidence, paying tribute to the brave, the determined, the victorious, and proudly taking off their hats to celebrate getting their hair back. So hats off to those who made it possible. Bosley, America's #1 hair restoration expert. Hats off to the latest science, which can restore your real hair permanently. And hats off to this great offer. Bosley is giving away a free information kit and a free gift card to everyone who texts HAIR to 234234. Guys, we're so confident of permanent results, they're backed by the Bosley guarantee. Imagine looking in the mirror each day and seeing how much hair you're growing instead of how much hair you're losing. Hats off to that. And next, it will be hats off to you. For a free information kit and a gift card for $250 off, text HAIR to 234234. HAIR to 234234.